Social media, like YouTube, MySpace, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, has made it easier for us to connect with other people and companies. It represents a paradigm shift in how we discover and share information and content. It's transforming broadcast into conversation, and never before has business been more transparent as customers engage with and promote companies through a more intimate and more immediate relationship than was ever before possible in human history. And as quickly as social media can help your organization reach and interact with your customers, it will ultimately expose your company and brand to the world by allowing word of mouth, good and bad, to travel at the speed of the internet. Only companies that embrace this open, consumer-driven reality will survive in this new interconnected world. Compete.com reveals that 250 million visitors hit YouTube, MySpace, and Facebook each month. Facebook's year-over-year growth is an astonishing 253%. Ask yourself, is your company growing at 253%? These aren't just visits either. There is a lot of activity that you and your company must be engaged in. There are conversations going on right now about your brand, your products, your services. On social networking sites like Facebook, MySpace, and Twitter, people are publishing content like reviews, pictures, and links to your products and services on websites like Yelp, Flickr, and YouTube. These conversations are going on with or without you. Do you know what they're saying about you? Do you know how to respond, to participate, to engage? My name is Christopher Penn, and I'm the lead subject matter expert for the University of San Francisco's Advanced Social Media Certificate Program. I've had the opportunity to coach thousands of people in social media, from the smallest of small businesses to the Department of Health and Human Services. You've seen me discuss social media in Businessweek magazine, in the New York Times, on CNN, and at conferences and schools around the world. I've even found missing children and helped them be recovered using social media. As Chief Media Officer of Advisors Incorporated, I have used social media in concert with internet marketing to turn a $300,000 company into a $6 million company in just a few years. So what is social media? It's any medium of communication or conversation that gets all of its value from the people, your customers, who participate in it. Companies and communicators absolutely must be participating and listening. Your reputation, your brand, and your ability to sell your goods and services depend on your ability to communicate in this new world. Companies that can communicate in the new world will thrive. Those that don't get it, they will die. For you to succeed in social media, you need to understand what it can and cannot do, what the benefits and hazards are. Let me ask you this. Are you getting the most targeted customers possible? Are you giving your customers what they are desperately asking you for every day online? Are you getting the most out of limited marketing dollars? Social media is the key to these objectives and so much more. How will this social media certificate program help you? This course will teach you the prerequisites for social media, including hands-on applications. How and where to listen and monitor your brand and reputation, what to create for social media content, how to effectively communicate in social media, and methods for monetizing it, the metrics and science of measuring your social media success, legal and ethical considerations. You'll learn how to protect yourself, your work, and your company in social media, both from the inside and the outside. Adopting social media, you'll learn how to encourage your organization, your clients, your colleagues to begin their social media journey. And tons of case studies, best practices, and real-world examples, proven results of people using social media. This program is ideal for professionals of all levels, such as marketing and public relations professionals and professional communicators in an agency or corporate marketing department. Customer service professionals, management, and executives who absolutely need to get up to speed on the latest methods of communicating. Entrepreneurs and small business owners seeking a competitive edge on a small budget. This program is also ideal as a corporate training solution for a business in need of integrating social media into a larger marketing mix. The Advanced Social Media Certificate Program combines end-to-end training taught by real-world experts, handpicked, backed by a top-ranked accredited university, and offered 100% online, so you can learn at your own pace. The program itself is an 8-week online crash course and complements and provides an area of emphasis and expertise to internet marketing. It delivers the skills needed to successfully implement social media in any company or organization, whether it's a church group or whether it's a Fortune 500. When you graduate from our program, you'll have developed your own social media network in the course that you've developed from hands-on labs and applications of what you've learned, giving you not only credentials, but a practical, usable network. The Advanced Social Media Certificate Program, if you want to learn more and complete details like course topics, start dates, tuition, corporate or agency discounts, please visit www.usanfranonline.com. I hope to see you there and in future courses.